Evictions are on the rise in Central Ohio. Records from Franklin County Municipal Court showing that nearly 1,700 landlords filed for evictions in January.
And that is the most since March of last year. NBC4 spoke to advocates from the Legal Aid Society of Columbus. It's a nonprofit that provides legal assistance to low-income citizens. And they tell us the #1 reason people are being evicted is the cost of living is becoming more unaffordable. Affordable housing scarce in the city, where the lowest cost rentals typically run $800 to $1,000, according to attorney James Mackey. Making the issue worse, attorney Chris Kelly says people sometimes from out of town, even out of state, are buying up available properties as investments and then jacking up the rent. Additionally, the population in Columbus has seen a boom relatively recently, and that means properties created to fill the need are newer and naturally more expensive.
Kelly told NBC4, quote, "We've had to build a lot of new housing, and the housing that we've been building has been upscale. I think part of that has to do with how much housing costs to build, period. And you might as well sell it for as much as you possibly can." One landlord told us that their hands are tied because whether or not the tenant can pay, they're still on the hook for things like property taxes. Legal Aid Society did point to one possible solution, saying enacting right-to-cure laws would be a step in the right direction. Under right-to-cure, tenants would be legally obligated to accept back pay rent, something that they can deny now. The Legal Aid Society provides assistance to those facing eviction. You can find all that information on NBC4i.com.